You want it to go outside?
Yes.
But we can't, can we?
Don't be no one the teacher.
Mean old Mother Nature. Are you mad because it's raining?
There's another. We can go outside.
What do you want to do outside? Huh? What do you want to do outside?
Big colors rainbows outside.
You want to color a rainbow outside? But we can't, can we? How come we can't go outside? Huh?
We have to go outside.
How come we can't?
How come we can't?
'Cause it's raining?
There's rain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
What are you counting?
1, 2, 3, 4.
For what?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, okay.
The doors are raining out.
It's raining out.
Okay.
Okay.
Doors are raining out. Vision.
Peyton?